Okay. I will explain you this, what is the requirement here, because some of the new members is also there. We'll, for first 5 minutes, we'll go into brief discussion about it. What is the requirement? Let's go into the open the Excel file. Okay. See, this is the input file we have. What we need to do, we need to log in into this website shopper.com. Okay. After logging into this website, here we need to click on add button and add product. Okay. After adding the product, we need to copy this link. After clicking on this, we need to copy the URL from the Excel sheet, paste it. Once after that, it will wait for a few seconds and it will load. Once after loading, here we need to type the product name directly. The product name is title here. Okay. And URL, and this is the collection. This is the description. Here we need to type the description. Once after description, we need to select the collection type. Okay, I'm selecting the client management tool, and here we need to click on second image. Click on save. After clicking on save, it will give the one URL. This one, I'm copying that URL and pasting in the here shopper link in this column, and we need to update the status as a completed. Okay, this is the process. This is the problem statement. Okay. Yesterday, what we did, where we completed the login into the application, open the application, add the collections. Okay, these three parts we completed yesterday. Today, we can see that to generate the links. Okay, we need to generate the links. Okay. Directly, I'm taking a one new sequence here. Go to the activities, take the new sequence. Right. Take the new sequence. Okay, here. Generating links. Okay, create. This is now it's already logged in because we already built the logged in log into the application and the generating the all these we build it directly. After logging into the application, this page will come. Okay, after login into the website. Directly I'm taking the attached browser. Directly I'm taking the attached browser. Indicate on screen. Okay, this is the one. Okay, I'm indicating on screen. I'm going to edit the selector. If the selector is valid or not, it is validated. And title, every time it will change. Okay, if login, I am the user, that is why it is showing this name. Okay, if user will change, it will change. That's why I'm taking the asterisk. Okay, validate. Now it is validating. Okay. Once after this, where we need to click, we already seen now, we need to click on add button and click on add product. These two actions we need to take. Okay. Now you can go to the activities. You can take the one click activity. Inside it, F2. Here click on add button. This button I am clicking. Okay. Now I'm renaming this. Okay, these are the best practices we need to follow. Click on add button. Click on add. Once after clicking on add, you can go to the activities. Again, we need to take it. We need to click on product. Okay, F2 for delay. Okay, this is the product. Let's see it is updated or not. Okay, it is updated. Now we can see the selector, edit selector. Okay, here some of the CSS selector is added. We need to remove it. Open UI Explorer. Okay, here remove the CSS selector. Parent ID tag, it is okay. Inner text is product. We can take this one also and we can remove the IDX. Okay. Okay, validate and highlight it. Okay, good. It is highlighting. Save. Okay. Now after clicking on add product, this window will come. Here we need to type the URL. Okay. For that, here we can click on product. Click on product. Save. Okay. Now after clicking on product, we need to type it. Type the URL. Before typing the URL, we need to read the Excel file. Okay. For that, what I'm going to do in the attached browser, in the starting only, I'm reading the input file. Okay. Read range. Read range workbook. Okay. I'm giving the path of this file info, copy as a local path. I'm giving the path here. And sheet name is sheet 1. Sheet 1. Okay. Here Control K, DT input. Save. This is DT input. And read range, we are reading the whole sheet. We can do the normal double quotes. We can read the full range. Now until here it is completed. Okay, let's see it is working fine or not. Okay, I'm going back. It is clicking on the buttons and all these things. It is happening or not. We can check it. Already attached browser is there. I'm giving the attached browser. Here also I'm renaming it. Attached browser. Product. Okay. Save. Now this is the part. Now we can redebug it. Okay, good. It is loaded properly. Now we have to type it URL. For that, what we are going to take? For each row in data table. For each For each row in data table, కొంచెం స్టాప్ చేయి, రికార్డింగ్ లోకి వస్తుంది. ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఆఫ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Okay, current row, what is the input file? Read range, go to the properties, dt input, dt input. Okay, save. First, what we need to type? We need to take in the type into URL. We need to type the URL. Okay, indicate inside browser F2. Okay, here we need to type it. Okay, we need to check the selector, it is coming perfectly or not. Okay, search box input, the selector is okay. I'm go to the properties. I'm taking the click before typing, empty field, and simulate click. These three. Okay, I'm taking these three. And input, what we need to type here? Already we have the Excel file. This URL. Okay, what is the column name? URL. Current row of URL toString. Okay, once after typing, here we don't need to enter or anything. Once you paste the link, automatically it will load. You can observe. Don't need to enter anything. Automatically it is loading. Okay, automatically it is loading. It's okay. Type, I'm changing it, type URL. Okay, now I'm taking this one and typing the URL here. It's already typed now. Okay, now we need to enter the product name. Okay, product name. You can take the another type into indicate screen. Same here, we are copying this, pasting here. First we can check the selector is correct or not. Product name, highlight it. Okay, the selector is okay, we can go with it. And go to the properties, mention the similar to empty before field, click before typing. Okay, all these are activated. Yesterday I already explained you what is the similar to click and the click before typing and empty field. Okay, now here type product name. Okay, now product name is also completed. Now we need to, here we don't need to select anything. Here we need to type the description. Okay, in this box. You can take another type into indicate on screen. F2. Here. Okay, here we need to type. I'm taking this. If it will take, maybe it will not work. I'm taking this one. Okay, let's check the selector. Type paragraph B. Okay, good. Let's see, we have any other options to add those selector. Parent ID, parent class. No, nothing is there. We can add. Let's take it as a tag only. If it will not work, we can change it. And here also we didn't change the name now. We'll take same one. Type description. Okay, good. Now we can change the name. What is the column name for it? Description. This is the description name. Change it. And title. This is the title name. And the title name. Okay. Good. Now description is completed. Now it's time to select this selection. Okay, this one. Already we created the selections. Okay, for this, what we are going to do? Normally, we can try with the select item activity. We can check with select item. Okay, let's indicate it. Okay, directly we are getting here now. Select item. Whatever we want, we can select it. CRM tools, all this. Okay, what we can do here, we will give the dynamic one. Okay, how we can give the dynamic one? We can pass the variable. Here we have the collection name now. This collection. Okay, directly we can take this current row of collection. Okay, this is the collection name. Okay, select collection. Okay, good. Now we need to click on here. There is no image for this URL. This exception we can add it later. Let's take the whichever link we have, the URL is available. Go back. Okay, add product. Take the new one. Okay, here we need to click on second image. Okay, let's use the click activity to click on second image. Click. This one. I think we didn't check the selector for this. You can check it. Okay, this is okay, highlighting it. Okay, good. It is highlighting. And this is the click image. We can set the selector for it. Here IDX21 is there, and this is the SRC image. Okay, for this, this will be the same. It will change every time. Okay, if I take the another URL, okay, I will take any URL and we'll go to the home again. Products. See, if you don't know about which selector is changing, okay, here we have one option, edit selector. Wait, I think same URL we have taken. Let's check it again. Any other thing? Maybe that URL is changing, that product is changing or not. It is clicking. Okay, good. Let's check with the other links also. It's maybe available or not. Okay, here it is taking time to load. Okay, here we can validate it here. Edit selector. Okay, here the selector is not validating. Okay, we don't know which things will change, which things will not change. For that, we have two options. One is you can directly click on repair. Okay, I'm copying this selector into the notepad. Okay, this one, and you can directly repair it. If you click on repair, you can click here. The selector was updated to match with the live element. Where the issue, where it is changed, Control C, you can match it. Okay, you can observe all these IDX is there. Second image, parent ID. Okay, SRC. In SRC, until shopper IG images, until it will be the same. Here, this is the image ID, and here it is changed. Okay, this selector we can take it. And sometimes we have to know about it also. Means why you are taking the IDX. See, without IDX, sometimes we cannot validate the selector also. Okay, I want to only select the second one. If you want to see it, I am giving the star mark here. Okay, it is validating, highlight it. It is not highlighting anywhere, nothing. The selector is validated, but where we need to click on it. If I give the 2, validate, highlight, you can observe it now, it is highlighting on the second one. If you give the IDX 1, validate, it will take the first image. You can observe. Wait, I think maybe it is not taking. Either take 3, it is working. It is taking third image. You can observe here. Okay, this one. Okay, and that's why we are taking the IDX. Without IDX, we cannot select the second image. It's not possible. Okay, click on OK. Now, after completion of all these, save. And we need to, here we are clicking on here, this one is completed. We need to click on save. Click on save. Click on this save button. Click on save. Go to the properties. Simulative click. Sorry, simulative click. Okay. And check the selector also. Okay, selector is okay. No need to change it. Click on OK. Save it. Now, until here it is working fine or not, we can check it. I am adding some of the log messages here for reference purpose. Log messages. Here what I am giving, this is the production, generate the product link. Na? That's why started generating product link. Okay, this is level type is info. Okay, now here just we can use the reading the input file. All this we can put. Reading okay, input file links. Okay, level is info. Now click on add button. Same log message. Click on add. These are the best practices we need to follow. Some of the best practices. Okay, click on add and click on product Okay, here what we can put in starting of the loop and in the ending of the loop. Once after completion of it, we can here we can use the clicked on save. Okay, like this we can do the for other things also here. Clicking on the image, clicking on the typing the description, all this you can put while you are practicing. Okay, save it. Right now we can check it. We can use the one message box here. For our reference purpose. Link is generated. Okay, save it. And we need to click on home now. Home. And one more thing here, after completion of save button, let add it. I will tell you. Debug. Okay, file is in use. We can close it. Retry. Okay, good. Clicking on add button, right? Typing the URL. Good. Description is not typed. If you observe here, description is not typed. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm clicking on OK. It's need to be go to the second one, but it will not go. Why? Because here we did not going to the home page again. Okay. Before proceeding, have you understand until here? Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Here, what we need to do before again it will go into the loop now. Before that, we need to navigate to the URL. Okay, which URL we need to navigate? If you observe here, this add product, we have separate URL. Okay, this is the URL. If you already logged in, if you directly, you can navigate to this URL. Okay, this product will came directly. I think here we don't need to click on add product and all these things also. Okay, directly we can add product URL. For this, what we are going to do, directly I am after attach browser, directly I'm navigating to the after reading the input. Okay. Directly I will navigate to the particular URL. Okay. Navigate. Either you can use the navigate URL here in the bottom. Here. Which is the URL? This is the URL. Navigate URL. Okay. Save. Okay. Save. Now we can type it. The description is not typing now. Here we can go to the products. We can give the similar to type description, empty field, click before typing. Let's see it will work right now or not. It's closed. Okay. Okay, now start it again. Reading the info file, click on add product, typing the URL. Still, it is not typing the description, something is missing. Let's see. UI element is no longer valid. Okay, this UI element is not working. But it is validating. Okay, for this, I want to make the selector very strict. Okay, I'm adding the parent class, validate and highlight it. Okay, save. Let's run it again. Save. Debug the file. Okay, now it's typed description. Okay, link is generated. Another link. Okay, it's time to get that URL text. Okay, I'm stopping the bot here. It's working fine right now. Okay, good. Here, before navigating into it, we need to get that URL. Okay, I will type something here for our reference. Save. Okay, this URL we required. Okay, what I can do, I will use the get text activity. Get text. Indicate on screen. This one. Edit the selector. Okay, what I am going to do, until here it will be same. I am just giving the star mark here. Okay, because it is a URL. Until here it will be same. Okay, copy. If you want to check it why I have given the star mark there, I will show you that one example. I'm copying this. Copying into the notepad. Same, and we already generated in the Excel. We have already one URL in the Excel. Let's open that URL. This is the URL. Copy. Okay, you can observe here until this P it will be the same. After here it will changing. Okay, this R is also same, but we are removing the all these and we are giving here. Okay, like this. Once after using the get text, we can use the get the We are getting the link. Go to output control K, str, it is a string str link. Okay. This link we have to write in the Excel and we need to update the status. Okay. For this, use the write cell activity. Before that write cell, I need to create a one counter. Okay. If you go click on for each row in data table, go to the properties. It is the output is the index value. Start with the zero starting, the zero based index of the current element in the collection. Okay. It will start with the zero. Control K, counter. I'm giving. Once after counter, write cell workbook, path. This is the path. Okay. On sheet name, sheet 1. And content is link, str link. Okay. Now which cell we want to write? What is the cell address? Shopper link. This is E. Okay. Cell address is E. E plus counter plus 2. It will start with 2 now. Now it will become E2. Okay. Like this. Dot to string. Okay. Save. Now same thing we need to update. After this we need to update the status also. It is completed. And which one we need to give the status? F column. Okay, same. I'm giving the F. Okay. And here the input text is completed. Okay, it's completed. Now it is a update status, then update URL. Update URL. Good. Now it's time to proceed. Click on save. Yeah, I'm deleting this and deleting this one also. Here one message box. Link. Updated. Okay. Let's see now. I think we need to go to this home button. Yeah. Okay. Three, four, we can up to go for the 4 or 5. Okay, we can stop it. Now we will run, check it, the file. Now you can observe now, here the shopper link is updated and status is also updated. If I will run it again it will start from the starting. Okay, it will not skip these things. Okay, in real time, what we need to do, already I run the 500 or 100. Again, it need to be start from the 101, not from the 1. Okay, wherever it is stopped, from that one only it need to be generated the URLs. For this, what we are going to do, here we are going to do the one if condition. Activities, one if condition. Okay, if current row of status is equal to completed. Status column equal to which one we are giving? Completed. We need to skip this. Okay. Okay. Now this whole body will to come into the, if it is completed, if it is true, it will go into the then. Else, it will go into the else block. For that, what I am going to do, I am putting this into the else block. One error is there. What is that?
I think you need to mention current
Here,
row
dot to
status.
string need to be mentioned. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's okay. Now I'm giving the one log message here. Link is already created. Okay. And here also type info. Save. Good. Now we can ready to move it. We can run the file again. Now we can check it is coming perfectly or not. Something is missing. Let's check it. It will throw any error. Until here it is completed. Click on add. Click on add product is okay. Yeah, now we got the one selector issue. Click on add button. Would not find element corresponding to the selector. Why? Because let's see, it's not went to the home. Stop it. We can edit the selector. It is validating. Okay, it is validating. I think we didn't change the page. That's why it is coming like that. Save it. Again, debug it. Okay, now it's working fine. Okay, here in the logs, it will show a link is already created. It is skipped. Okay. Whatever those are there, it is skipped. Okay, one link is updated. Good. Right now we can stop this because it is working fine. Now we can run this into the main. Okay, status. If you want to see the status, let's check it. The input. Okay, you're getting it now. It is completed, showing completed. Total how many? 30 are there. Okay, 30 are there. Let's do one thing. This is the main. This is collections. We are adding one time only. Okay, every time we are not going to add the collections. For now, I am commenting out and I am invoking the generate links. Okay, for a reference purpose, for best practices, I'm adding the annotations. Okay, login into the website. Okay, it is about all of login into the website only. Okay, now here I'm add this some of the annotations. Okay, if you right click annotations, add annotations. Okay, type the URL and description and select the category, select the collections and link will be updated in sheet. Okay, these are the normal description about it. Okay, now what we can do, I'm logging out it, close browser. Total 30 are there now. We are running the run file. Okay, not in debug mode, run file. Let's see. I think we need to close the file. Okay. I think we didn't deleted the message box. 30 times you cannot click on OK. For right now, we can stop it and delete the message box here. Where it is message box. This one. Okay, here one give the one log message. Link updated successfully. Link, either link updated success level is info. Save it. Now logging out first because it's already logged in now. Wait and run the main one. Okay, run file. Let's see. We can wait for 5 minutes. Maybe it will not take more than 5 minutes to complete the all the filings. I'm thinking our bot is too fast. Due to the too fast, sometimes it is unable to type the descriptions also. I think better we can put the delay there. Okay, while you are practicing it, put some delay there, delay 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Here it is unable to select the one more issue also there. Let's see. Maybe selecting the CRM tools or saving it. Let's see what is the issue. Maybe it will come UI element is not no longer valid or selector issue. Let's wait for 30 seconds. Okay, get the link. Okay, here source, where the source, get the link. Maybe it is clicked on save, but it is not open. Why it is not? Select the text to open formatting. Okay, sometimes this issue is coming. Let's run it again. We can see all these exception handling in upcoming classes, how we can handle these type of exceptions. Okay, let's run it again. First we need to log out. Let's wait. Let's see. Either at least we can able to complete it 5 or 2. Okay, right now the page is came. Okay, if you observe here, the image is not there. We can need to handle this also. Just I clicked it manually. These are all exceptions while we are running it. Okay, tomorrow we can see that what are the exceptions and how we can handle all these exceptions. Okay, let's stop it. I think if you are clicking on save it also, see, if you are clicking save button, it is asking select a next text to formatting. Here nothing is there. Okay, it is taking time to show. This is the website problem. Okay, application issue, that one. You can complete until here. Tomorrow we can see that how we can handle all these type of exceptions. Anyone have any doubts you want ask? Thank you, Krishna Chaitanya. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Okay, we will go to the step by step to complete the overall live projects. Okay, this is how we are going to work in the live also. First, we are developing it and we are doing the testing and it is working fine or not. While we are running, we are getting the some of the exceptions. Okay. Anyone want to ask any doubts? Okay.